Yo, what's good everyone? We're just going to be streaming today. I'm just going to be watching the market. Let me put this out on the Discord quickly. Looking for that ASST breakout here at 176 for continuation. To be fair, off of all of this volume, we're not really moving much. Need to get my bitrate up. Let me try see if I can change this. There we go. My bitrate should be a little higher now. There we go. GME. GME, what's going on? What's popping? Pretty much back to where we started. I said we were going to reject at 25. Didn't hold this level. We've got an imbalance here now. If you want to get back up, you have to invert this. But it's going to be hard. Need some crazy volume. Let me check on unusual worlds. Bro, Roblox must be popping off soon. The flow on Roblox is crazy, guys. Seeing loads of volume on Intel. Hey, this could be a nice play. NDXP. Bro, this U flow keeps coming in. We might have bottomed here now. This could be a decent play. I'm gonna try to get this up on the. What are they saying on you? The 33 calls expiring in 4 days. Jesus Christ. And that was on the floor of an exchange as well. They paid 90k in premiums. I'm gonna see if we can get something to pop off here. See if we can get a pop. Let's go back to ASST. Okay, so we're actually sitting at support right now on ASST. Let's see if we can hold this. To be fair, I thought it was going to be quicker than this. Yo, let's try run up the Discord. Yo, what's good, bro? Do you buy into ASST or WSP? I sold my ASST pre-market at this resistance, but we're just looking for re-entries right now. This is a decent re-entry point. WSP. Is this what you mean? I haven't heard of WSP before. Are you talking about the ticker? We're also looking at this. Options flow look crazy. If you can get a break above here. Oh! Alright. Now you're good, bro. What's good? You. Options flow looks insane. We're making some other calls as well. Make sure to join the Discord. We're just calling stuff out all day in there. They get it first. It's free to join. TZA we were calling. There's zero volume, but see if we can get a decent push on TZA. Donut looking like we're going to reject here. If we can break this level, then you're probably good. Up to like 450. Yes, yeah. It's if you wanted to enter, this would be a decent place. We're just filling this imbalance right now. We're currently respecting it, so if this fails though, I think it's cooked, honestly. I'm going to check out the options flow on it now. We'll check out the gamma as well, see what it's looking like. I mean, the volumes died. Literally died. It was so high open. If we can pump some volume back in, it would be nice. Let's see what the Gex is saying. $2.5 mil gamma at $1.50 strike. $1.50 is there. Okay, this will probably be the resistance zone then. You need to watch this. Yeah, I did see that. There's a lot of hype, but it's not always a good thing to have that much retail hype, if you get what I mean. Like, as soon as Beyond Meat started getting that much hype and people started FOMO buying, yeah, Mike Alfred, yeah. As soon as people started FOMO buying it, people just used them as exit liquidity, and then the stock fell off a cliff. But we just got to see how it reacts right now. Because, yeah, it could pump. One of the users in the, one of the members in the server was saying Codex. Hey, this guy's good, bro. Playing in the Discord, this guy's actually good. He's up 23% on this. Yeah, this looks good. The volume on this is crazy. Let me scan. Let me scan the preams on this. Jesus. That's insane. Alright, Codex. You can still pump nicely here. Go watch that 50-cent range though on Codex. Could be a decent continuation play though. Let's just we'll keep watching that one. Let's see how hard this play is going. Good, 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 good. All looking nice. Probably need to hold this here. Yeah, break above, that'd be nice. This is NUVB. Well, so let's hop on the top step, see if we can get any trades on the futures. Looking so dead. This would have been decent. This opening range gap is crazy. Probably just going to get continuation off this. Okay. We're doing this on no volume, by the way. Where's it gone? Where's the volume at? Alright, so I want to see a break above this, realistically. If we were going to keep pumping, it would be because we get above $1.50. Is beyond dead. Dead cat bounce. So I had beyond at 90 cents, I called it. And the thing with Beyond Meat is, in my opinion, it was literally pump and dump. I think it's gone now. Like, look at this volume here, and look at the volume here. The volume's just fallen off. If we could get volume, we are actually holding this zone right now. If we can get volume, you could probably get a bounce to maybe 3. Yeah. But I wouldn't put my hopes on it, and I wouldn't enter anything. Fundamentally, I think their short interest is still really high, but as a company, they are so bad. So you don't really want to be holding this, if you get what I mean. It's a shit company. But, I mean, what do you mean by that? Drop a bag. Oh, I get what you mean. Well, you're trying to average down your position. What did you get filled at before? Well, I mean, we can take a look at some options flow on it. Eesh, 547. Nah, because you'd just be digging yourself in the hole if you did that. There's no guarantee that it could bounce. Like, we could just, like, keep coming down. You know what I mean? I don't necessarily know there's going to be a bounce, but if it was going to happen, it would be from here. But I wouldn't count on it. I wouldn't put more money into this. I'll say that now. Just try and make your money back on something else, you know. Cut the loss. 10.13 is still resumption price on MAMK. Take a look at that for you. Oh yeah, this looks good. What is this volume? Did they have like a... Did news come out? Yeah. I mean, a lot of people got cooked on Beyond Meat. A lot of people were quite nice off it as well. Like, that... Yeah. I mean, that's part of trading, isn't it? You take some losses, you take some wins. If you join the Discord, bro, it's all free. We just call stuff every day. Like, you'll be getting calls like Beyond Me every day. We called that one at 90 cent. Yeah, it's true. You can't win every trade. No one wins every trade. No one wins every trade. And I'll tell you that, people have lost a lot more than 500. Just take it as a lesson, you know. Gotta move on. I feel like getting filled at that price is kind of a FOMO buy. Are you guys in the Discord already, or are you joining from my Twitter post? If you join up the Discord, we put stuff in there all the time. There'll always be another pump. And there will always be people getting burned. But you just got to make sure you get in early. Or if you don't get in early, make sure that there's actually a reason for you to get in, you know what I mean? A lot of people I saw on Twitter were just getting in because other people were. And that's not what you want to do. Yeah, they gotta be kind of retarded. I'm gonna put the, I'm gonna pin this up. Yeah, that's a long day. But you've got to be some sort of degenerate to put that amount in at that fill as well. Crazy. Right, I'm going to take a look at some options flow quickly. RGTI. I'm seeing a little bit of this on Unusual Whales. What do we call this at? We called this before the news of the government trying to invest in it. So that was actually nice. Cool. I'm going to go check. See what we called this at, because I don't want to be lying. $35.84. 35.84 there. It's kind of just, I'll be real, quantum stocks, I'm not the biggest fan, I'll be real. Not the biggest fan. Oh, yo. I know who you are. Yeah, MAMK, that gapped up. That was a nice call, bro. 42%. Jeez. Yeah, it's looking nice, bro. This volume is insane. Do you know if they had news or anything come out, or is this just random? Should I take a look at the... I can't even look at the options flow on this. It's not letting me. MAMK. The ticker is not on Unusual Whales. What exchange is this listed on? It's on the NASDAQ. What's going on? Oh, you're just peeping it. You got in at 4. Fair play, bro. That's a nice... That is a nice play. That is a nice play. Yeah. Nah, that's valid. Yeah, it's halted right now. Very nice. Still at resistance on Krispy Kreme. But we're respecting this nicely. Up 105 on my Nvidia calls. That's nice. I might... We're literally about to approach this resistance now. I might TP here. I'm gonna average out some of my... I'm just going to close this here. Oh, nice, bro. I don't actually think I put... No, I did. I forwarded the Nvidia. Because I'm in the Unusual Whales Premium thing now, and I figured out you could just forward all of their stuff. So I'm literally just going to forward everything interesting I see. Nah, trust, we're trying to run the Discord up to like 100 members soon. It's grown so fast. Insane. Oh yeah, I'll add you, bro, and you can DM me. There you go, I added you. No way. Your name on Epic Games is 2 Hollis. I'm going to see that guy in November. In Brixton. Jeez. 500 soul. Insane. Bro, I tried meme coin trading before. Oh, was it good? I'm gonna see him in November, and I think it's electric something. No, that's I'm seeing. Do you know who SD Kid is? I'm seeing him as well, and I'm seeing 2 Hollis in Brixton, and they're both in Brixton. I'm so excited, bro. It's gonna be lit. Yeah, it's gonna be fire. I've seen vids of it and stuff. Yeah, he is actually, for a concert as well, his music's so good. I tried meme coin trading, bro, and I literally cannot hack it. I think you just need to just like full port like way more, because I was doing it with like 50 quid a pop, and it's not enough. You need to be putting like more in, and I was just picking random coins, and I was just getting rugged. That's not for me, bro. I just like get cooked every time. Yeah. Yeah, I think you've just got to like be ridiculously early to like a meme or something. In my opinion, it's probably better to just make them and then get a bag off rugging other people. Probably way easier, but can't be asked for all of that. Just stick to what I know, you get me? Eesh, this is looking crazy. MSTR, I'm seeing a lot of premiums being paid. Okay, so looking decent, MSTR. If we can get a oh, these are puts on MSTR. My bad, I was reading it wrong. These are puts. I'm seeing a lot of bearish on MSTR. But it looks like we got a breakout anyway. There's a rejection candle at this level though. When was this? Wait. Oh bro, this is all like the 24th. Let me I'm seeing some crazy volume on Intel right now. Someone paid 8.8 million in premiums for $45 calls expiring in 25 days. With a 19% sweep. That's pretty crazy. I mean, I think we're about to invert this, so if you can get a closure above here. ASST overall chart looks shit overall, but it's making its way. Yeah, it's just grinding through. Well, like I said, we're kind of going to reject here. This will be your resistance. If you can break this. If you can break this, you're good on the ASST. Just reading the options chat in the server right now. I think someone's saying a technical pull back to the 50 SMA on you. Oh, I mean, we're looking good on that right now. Up 4.45%. This is looking like a nice little... It's looking like the bottom pretty much. Let me put the 50. Yeah, well, I was looking at the options flow on this ticker earlier, and it was insane. Daily time frame. $50 SMA. Oh, I can't even do that. What the hell is this song? There we go. This looks bullish though, ASST. These sellers probably just got absorbed. Oh. Bro, stop calling me mom. Let me hop on. This is supposed to be an ASST stream. Let me hop on the ASST chart. Do I play any games? Not. I used to. I don't really anymore. Kind of just do this every day. Sometimes I play like Skate, the new Skate game. That game's good. I've been playing this game called Phasmophobia. It's like a ghost game. It's 'cause it's Halloween, you know. Play it with my brothers. How do you determine whether to buy the stock versus options or both? It's a good question. I look at a couple things. I will look at implied volatility. I'll look at the price of the options. I'll see if the premiums are too high. And also, you have to look at the percentage move you're currently targeting, as well as the time frame that you're targeting it in, because big factor with options is time, you know. And if you expect something to make a big move quickly, you'll buy an options contract. And if you are looking for like a longer term hold, you'll probably buy the shares. And it also, it's just your risk management, you know. Sometimes you can get good deals on options contracts. Like, you'll be able to buy an options contract for like $9 to $18 out of the money. The contract out of the money, not the price. The premiums you'll pay will be like 9 to 18, and then you can like 1000x well, not 1000, it's like 100xe the contract. So it really depends on what kind of move you're speculating and how long you want to hold it for, if that makes sense. I'm not really good at explaining this type of thing. Have I seen the CS market? Yes, bro. People are killing themselves over that. Insane. I don't play CSGO though. My friend does. He's Ukrainian. I think all of the Ukrainian and Russian people play it. I have like 3 Ukrainian friends and they all play CSGO. Annoying with the overnight run on ASST. I mean, what can you do? It kind of didn't really do anything anyway. Kind of just went, and now it's come back, and now it's testing this. I mean, it's a long day, but you don't want to get shit fills. If it runs without you, you can't be pissed, because having it run without you is better than getting shit fills and then getting cooked. Oh yeah, I'm gonna look at that thing you just sent me on Discord, bro. Let me read this. Yeah, I heard they have like a bunch of Bitcoin reserves, like GameStop. $5,886 Bitcoin in their treasury. And 108 million cash. Damn. This Mike Alfred guy though, I feel like sometimes he just posts so he can pump his bags a little bit. MTPLF. Let's take a look at MTPLF. Metaplant. So this guy's comparing MTPLF to %. I'd do exactly the same as that guy. Bro, he's not doing it enough. I'd be posted every 5 seconds. I'd be trying to shill it to people every day for the rest of my life. 1 million shares as well is crazy. Now the real goal is to get like as many followers as that guy has, and then just pick a random ticker, buy it, and then just post it on my X account. I'm joking. Yeah. Could be the move. Might have to run it up a little bit more. Nah, to be fair, 93 followers. I'm running it up slowly. I'm getting there. If I held 100 shares of AMC with an average cost at $13.75. Hey, what's it at now? Bro, if I held 100 shares of AMC at $13.75, I probably would have sold them already. I probably would have got like stopped out or something. Yes, bro, get your TikTok up. You can be like TJR. Right, let me get back to this. Will I consider selling covered calls? I'd probably consider exiting my position first. Is that a typo, 1375, or did you mean? Was 1375 a typo, or is that right? I mean, you could sell covered calls though. You could just sell hella. Loads and loads and loads. Because this is doing nothing right now. But if you sell like, you could sell like $3 calls. I wouldn't even advise that, I'll be real. Okay, you don't actually own the... Okay, alright. 1375. And then you've got... Yeah, I would sell covered calls, yeah. Because... either way, if you're looking to just sell the shares versus sell covered calls and then give up the shares at the price, you're gonna lose either way. You get what I mean? So let's put this out. So let's say your fill's up here. This is 1375, and then you sell $3 calls. Let's say it goes let's just say it goes to $4. So a covered call essentially means that if the thing goes to $4, you have to give up your shares at $4 a pop. You still get to keep the premium. Either way, your entry is above this level. So either way, you're going to lose money, if you get what I mean. But you'll just lose less and you'll collect the premium. If it stays below, you'll just collect the premium and then you won't even have to give your shares away. So you can just recycle it. So yeah, I would. Does that make sense? Because in my opinion, it's not going to go to 1375 anytime soon. So you're better off. round back. So yeah, you'd so it's essentially the same as buying an options contract, but instead of pressing buy at the strike price, you would press sell instead. And then you could obviously pick your expiration and stuff as well. But covered calls are good, especially when your entries cook like that. It kind of helps you recover it a bit. What's ASST doing? Ranging. Yeah, this is about what I expected. Let me drop some source quickly on gamma exposure and how it can influence price. I'm gonna have to click this one and put it in the Discord later because this is going to be useful. So, gamma is the rate of change of delta, and essentially hedge funds will try and stay delta neutral while... Oh wait, let me read this quickly. I would have sold my position at $70 a share, but for some reason I was not looking at the stock from the right time. Oh yeah, I mean, what can you do? It's unlucky. I didn't get in on AMC. I was on GME. Right, let me keep going. So, institutions sell options contracts with gamma, and to hedge against this, because they want to stay delta neutral, they will buy or sell shares when the delta increases or decreases. So you can kind of see how many shares they'll buy or sell with the total gamma exposure. Like if you look here on ASST, the gamma at 2.3 million at 1.5 strike, so that means there is 2.5 million in gamma exposure at the $1.50 strike. So if the gamma is positive, that means they have, I can show this on the chart, they have more call gamma exposure than put gamma exposure. So let me explain it like this. When the stock goes up, to stay delta neutral, they will start selling more shares the closer it gets to here. And when the stock goes down, they'll start buying more shares. So essentially it magnetizes price to the large gamma nodes, positive gamma nodes anyway. Does kind of the opposite for negative gamma nodes. And especially when gamma is really high, like at the $1.50 strike. So you can think of a positive gamma node as a magnet and a negative gamma node as a magnet, but flip the other way around. So it will repel price away from it. And that's what I look at when I look at gamma. And you can see here it's kind of working. It's just magnetizing price into this range. So they'll buy into dips and sell into rallies on the positive gamma nodes. And the pressure intensifies the closer you get to the node. Bit of source there. And that's why we're kind of just sat here right now. Unless we get some crazy flow to expand price. How many viewers we got? I think it's 3. Damn. I usually stream with like no viewers. Hey, we're gonna run this up too soon. Trust me, next couple months I'm gonna have like 1,000 viewers in there. Alright, we got support here. So we're looking like we're coming back down to 147 on ASST. And then let's hope we can get a nice little bounce. What the net premium's saying. Hey, the net premiums on ASST are looking good though. Very high. Any dark pool trades? Okay. Let's keep looking at some options flow. People selling puts there. $1 puts. People buying a lot of. I think that's like at the mid. Nah. People buying $2 calls. These premiums aren't crazy, but let me do a little filter. I mean, this looks bullish. See if they got like 200k premiums. So today we had, okay. Nothing insane on the options flow. Okay, yeah, we got a bounce pretty much there. Let's see if we can break out now. Oh, sorry guys, I don't read your chats for a minute. The Twitter helps post a link more often on trending stock and you'll pull people in. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I posted it as soon as I started streaming and I was like, I actually got viewers today. Is ASST something you would buy shares of / too late / just trading options? Probably too late. And I'm also not seeing what I want to see right now on it. If we were actually gonna pump, I think we should break this. I mean, it's not necessarily too late because there's still potential for us to get like $2. But I would buy honestly, it comes down to your risk tolerance level. I would probably buy options on ASST because I speculate a large change in price. Well, it obviously depends on the premiums. Let me check how much I'd have to pay for an options contract on ASST. The main thing you have to remember with options is you can lose all your money. All of your money that you bought the contract with, it can just become worthless. Let's say I wanted to buy the $1.50 calls. How much would I have to pay? $22. Yeah, I'd buy a call if I was gonna, but I don't know if I'm gonna. Gotta see if we can break this first. But you have to be really careful with your risk management on these. Where it's already kind of pumped, you get what I mean? You don't want to be one of those guys who holds it at $1.50 and then it comes down to like 50 cents again. So if I was going to do it, I would have a rule where if price goes below here, I know that my trade's been invalidated and I will close the position. That's the way you don't get cooked. If I was going to hold it for like a couple days, or if I was going to, if I could have got filled at like 90 cents like that guy did, I probably would have bought shares. And as soon as it bounces back up. I mean, it can happen, but it's not necessarily the worst thing because it could bounce down even further. You get me? You don't really know what's going to happen. All you got to remember is you enter the price, and then what you saw was it was invalidating your setup, so you close the position. And as long as you're trading like that, eventually you'll win. You might be able to hear my brothers right now. I might end the stream in a bit and then just keep posting on the Discord, because I might go and do something else with my time in a bit. But I'll let you know if this breaks out. Yeah, I think I'm going to end it for now because I've been going for like an hour. Alright, I'll see you lot later. I'll put some stuff in the Discord as well. Keep you updated. But thanks for joining, guys. I'll see you later.